clean garage is a happy garage. I don't know whoever said that first, but I tend to agree with them. Today, on episode 2 of my garage build out, we're going to be putting up a set of Craftsman VersaTrack SlatWalls, and then we are also going to be hanging up a TV with a TV mount, and then finally we'll be putting up a Wall Control Pegboard system to organize my drills and some other tools. Let's get started. This is probably a bad idea to be doing by myself. Let's see what happens. Not bad. Not bad at all. Boom. Beautiful. So I got the TV mounted, went together really easy, happy with how it turned out. One of the reasons that I wanted to get the TV mounted first was that I'm going to have to cut a few of the pieces of the VersaTrack system. So I kind of wanted to have a good idea of what pieces I was going to need to cut and how I was going to need to position them around the mount. So let's get started with the slat walls, and hopefully this won't take too long. So I've actually changed my mind in what I'm going to do. I know I said that I was going to cut some of the VersaTrack pieces and put them around the TV mount, but I've decided instead of trying to do that, I am just going to start over here in this corner and then just go from there over, and I actually won't get all the way to the TV mount with how far I'm going to go. So I'm doing 3 sections. They're 48 each. VersaTrack piece is 48 inches. So I'm going to do 3 sections, which means that it should be a total of 144 inches, if my math is correct. I think that's right. So I won't get all the way over to the TV mount, and so instead we should just stop a little bit short, and I think it'll be fine. It'll still give me the full amount that I was wanting to be able to put up, but instead of having to cut the pieces and get them around the mount, I'm just going to start over in the corner, and I think it should work out. We'll see.
Whew, finally done. Got everything up. Pretty much went as expected. Didn't really have any issues. I think it looks pretty good. I think it's going to be exactly what I need in terms of being able to get some of the ladders, yard equipment up off the ground, have them organized and stored out of the way.
All right, so we're making some progress here. 2 things down, 1 more to go. See, we've got the TV mounted and we got the Craftsman slat walls put up. I've gone ahead and put up some of the anchors so that I can get the ladders and some of that stuff on there. I didn't really plan out or measure the ladders or kind of have everything set on where I was going to put it. So to be honest, I'm a little surprised that I don't have more room. I thought that I was going to have plenty of room with 3 sections, but some of that stuff's taking up more room than I was expecting. So if you've got time and you think about it, you might want to measure whatever you want to put up on the track wall and kind of lay it out and see where exactly it can go and how much room it's going to take up. But I've still got more room to be able to put up a few more things, so that'll probably happen here shortly. But overall, I've been able to get most of everything off the ground and up onto that track wall system, so I'm happy with that. So the one last piece that we still need to do is we need to finish the wall control pegboard system, which is going to go right over here.